side by side. Sonny and Steph just walked by, sharing God's love and blessings on to them, that they may have faith to the end, standing together strong in their beliefs. Sonny and Steph will always see. In this old country chapel we sing along. Clap your hands and dance to the righteous song, sharing love together as we stomp our shoes, lifting up His name like good news. We just want to blast everyone with faith and light, fill this room with joy and shining bright. In this old country chapel of faith and love, we're dancing for our God above. Boots on the floor and hearts on fire, voices rising higher and higher. Side by side we're swinging to the beat, feeling holy thunder in our feet. Everyone's welcome, come on in. Let forgiveness wash away your sin. In this old country chapel we sing along. Clap your hands and dance to the righteous song, sharing love together as we stomp our shoes, lifting up His name like good news. We just want to blast everyone with faith and light, fill this room with joy and shining bright. In this old country chapel of faith and love, we're dancing for our God above. Raise your glass of grace up high, let His mercy fill the sky. Every laugh and every tear, God's sweet presence feels so near. Kick your heels and praise His name, let His love ignite the flame. In this old country chapel we sing along. Clap your hands and dance to the righteous song, sharing love together as we stomp our shoes, lifting up His name like good news. We just want to blast everyone with faith and light, fill this room with joy and shining bright. In this old country bar of faith and love, we're dancing for our God above.